I give you my heart.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra, aka siaslaysmua. If you don't know, now you know. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave today and like this video and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Today I'm going to be doing my New Year's Eve makeup look. It looks like this right here. And I did this look on New Year's Eve, and I had a lot of my friends be like, oh my god, like I need to know how to do this look. How did you do that? Show me how you did it. I need a step by step, like let's get it done. Like where is this look? So I'm like, okay, I got you, like I'll write you one, I'll do one for you. So I'm doing a tutorial now on that look that I did on New Year's Eve, my last look ever of 2018. Wow, we said goodbye to that sister. See ya later, hunty. Over 2018, moved on to better things in 2019. So yeah, to create my last look of 2018, I used this palette right here. No, it's not cute. I used this palette right here. This is the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I used mainly this bottom corner over here, like the pinks and the purples, and a little bit of the black just to really deepen that up. And then I used some of my glitter, which you guys will see. And I used some glitter, which you guys will see later on in this tutorial. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in to his palette. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Sephora 19 blending brush. And I'm just going to dip into a little bit of Pinkity Drinkity over here, which is the very pale pink of the palette. And I'll grab my mirror, and we're just going to go right in. We're going to use this color right here as our transition shade. Oh my god, I almost forgot. I need a primer. Where is my primer? The primer that I've been using lately to do my eyes is actually a foundation primer, but it honestly, for me personally, it was too silicone-y for the face, and it almost works like so perfectly for the lids. So it's the L'Oreal Paris Magic Perfecting Base Primer Pot. It is just a silicone-y, clear, kind of translucent cream, if you will. This one has a nice tackiness to it. It really helps the colors stick. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over both my lids. And we're going to pick up that brush that we had Pinkity Drinkity on. And we're going to blend that out all over the eye to kind of set that tackiness just a little bit. I'm going to get that nice light pink rosy base all over the eye to start. And we're just blending that, like I said, once again, all over the eye. The next shade in the palette that I'm going to pick up is going to be this shade right here, and this shade is called Love That, and I'm just going on my Vasanti blending brush, and I'm going to take this into the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye just to create a halo effect. So we're just going to layer this color right here, and we're also going to layer this color right here. So that is what it should look like when being applied. And you'll just kind of pack that on and pat it out. Kind of blend it as you pat it out. We will go back in with concealer if need be, so don't worry out if you make any mistakes. I'm gonna pick a little bit more of Love That up and just keep building up this color. Do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm trying to keep this very low as well. Do not raise it too high. You want to definitely make sure you have enough room in your brow space later on. So I'm just blending that in windshield wiper motions now on the lid and the crease, keeping it low and tight. So far, this is what you should have. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Single right here, just to deepen that up a little bit. I'm just using the same techniques each time to apply the eyeshadow. Trying not to get it into the center of the lid so much. Even though we will clean that up with some concealer later, we want to try and keep it nice and open. So next I'm going to go into the shade Escape, which is this dark purple right here. And we're just going to pick that up with the same blending brush still. And we are just going to continue to add depth to this look. I'm going to go back over that now with some of the shade Love That. Just to really pull that pinkish color back in. So right now you just have a really intense purpley pink look that kind of looks like you're starting to smoke it out and blow it out. And that is how you want it to look. I'm going to take my Sephora 19 brush again and dip into Pinkity Drinkity and just blend out the edges some. Next, I'm going to pick up the shade Skip down here, right underneath of Pinkity Drinkity, and we are going to layer this all over the eye. The center and everything, guys. Everything. Really want that pinkness to come through on the eye. You're just going to slowly blend that in with the other colors. I'm going to mix a little bit of Skip and Love That and just go over the edges of this look very gently. And this is where you will start pulling the look up some, but keeping enough room between the shadow and the brow. I don't know why I'm winging it out like this, but I kind of really like that extra dramatic effect. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the shade Spooky, which is the black shade in the palette, and I'm just going to dab that down in closer to where the glitter is going to be, just to really add that depth into the eye. I'm going to take more of the dark purple shade Escape and just layer that over the black. I'm going with a little more of Love That and Skip. and then repeat those same steps on the other eye. Alright, you guys, the next step to this look is going to be the glitter. Now, I gotta find it. This glitter I thought was just so beautiful. I had to get it. So, here we are. She is in the shade Raspberry. It's an extra fine glitter, so it is very, very, very tiny. And that is the only reason why I'm using it on my eyes, is because it's so small that it really doesn't affect me that much. If it does get in my eyes, it just kind of stings a little and I get over it. So most people would just use like a glitter adhesive or even a lash adhesive to do their glitter portion, but I use spirit gum. So not sure if this is really eye safe either, probably not, but I'm using the Wuchi FX Cinema Secrets spirit gum, and I'm just going to use this tiny little brush that it comes with and very carefully not get this in any of my lashes, and just put this on the center of my eye and in the areas that I want it, the glitter to stick. And once it starts to get tacky, that is when it is ready for the glitz and the glam. You can always add more spirit gum if you need to. Also, this washes right off. Like it's literally not even as bad as it all sounds right now, because I did this the other night. It washed off just fine. So I like take the glitter right on my finger. I have no product on my finger. I just pick the glitter up with it, and we are just gonna tap that over the spirit gum. This is something you definitely want to do as quickly as possible to avoid your eyelids sticking in any type of weird way. I'm going to add just a little bit more spirit gum to the areas where I feel it needs it. Pick up the last little bit of this glitter. I'm going to place it on top of that glue. Alright, you guys, this is the glitter on. I'm going to go ahead and wipe away any fallout and work on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take that fluffy brush, this 419 brush, dip into Pinkity Drinkity, and just blend out the edge some. I'm going to go ahead and go back in with my Vasanti blending brush. Actually, that's a lie. I am going to go in with a flat brush, and I am going to pick up some of Love That and Escape. And I'm going to tight line that against my waterline. And make it super, super, super dark. I'm going to take my Vasanti blending brush, grab some Love That and Single, and blend this out. I'm just blending out my lower lash line with Love That and Single. I'm going to go in with my NYX white eyeliner, and we are just going to put this on my waterline. So this just kind of helps open up the eye more because it is such a dark look, and it just really makes my eyes look more awake, but that's not why I did it. I did it because now I'm going to take that flathead brush and I'm going to dip into Skip, and I'm going to lightly put this in my waterline very ever so carefully to create this hot pink eyeliner kind of look. So now that gives us that really beautiful pink waterline and just looks so like in your face. Like, I love that. So now I'm going to grab some mascara and comb these lashes to the god. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite mascaras, and this one is the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. And the spoolie of it looks like that, and it just gives you that perfect false lash effect. Because I don't like false lashes. I love false lashes. That's actually the problem. Is I love false lashes, but I suck at false lashes. So in with some of my rose water spray again. I'm going to set the whole face and bring some hydration back because we've been sitting under the bright lights for quite some time now. I have filmed, now this is my third video that I filmed this evening. So I did my brow tutorial today, I did my contour tutorial today, and now I'm filming this, and obviously you'll have already seen both of those videos by the time this one is up. So with a dramatic look like this one, I like to go in with very natural nude lips. And first, I'm going to put on chapstick so they're not dried out. And one of my favorite lipsticks right now that is a nude lipstick is the Estee Lauder lipstick in the shade Desirable, and is literally such a beautiful lip color. She looks like this. Just such a beautiful, true, like nude pink nude, and it's not so much pale either. It's really not that pale. It's like that perfect medium pink nude, and it is just so beautiful. So I've been living for this nude lately, and we're gonna go for it. So beautiful. Go in with the apple strudel, no, creme brulee. We're gonna go in with some creme brulee lip gloss by NYX. It's their butter gloss, and this is literally the gloss version of this lipstick, no lie. This is so pretty. Alright guys, that completes this look, this New Year's Eve glam, if you will. I know we're so late on this, but a lot of you guys requested it, so I wanted to recreate it for you so you guys could do it at home, whether you're going on a New Year's party next year or just going out to the club for your birthday or whatever. This is like the perfect look for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this one, then don't forget to subscribe today, like this video, and leave a comment down below on anything you think that I should have done differently in my video today or in the future. And what kind of content you would like to see in the future. Just comment any of that stuff all down below in the comment section, and I will constantly be reading your comments. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching this video. If you guys would like to follow me on my other social medias, my Snapchat is QueenSN, so it is actually QXVEEN.SN, and my Instagram is _Sia, SIA, slaysmua. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in my next one.